Cannot find this file on your PC? Let's fix it. But before going to fix this error, please keep in mind, there is a good chance that your problem will be fixed from your PC very smoothly. But if somehow it doesn't work, then we have also made another video to fix this problem. And you can get that link in the description box. So let's go to fix it. Basically, your problem is related to Microsoft Visual C++ and you have to download and install that package on your PC. So open this website and choose Visual Studio 2015, 17, 19 and 22. And all the upcoming version will be updated here in the future. So bookmark this page and subscribe to our channel as well. Now download both of these packages, which is 86 and 64 version. Just install these packages on your PC and let it finish. Please note, if you see the repair button, that means the package is already installed on your computer. Just click on the repair button and let it finish. After installation, restart your PC to check the error. Hope so your problem has been resolved. Thanks for watching my video. Good luck.